Cibai, tahu mo, buat takpi mo. Siya tuangin tu hoy tapian gina ama abang abi lam na di na mo kangau kangthak tiari na kon gen dia English to kon mix dia mo kangthak tiai ading focus hai na kahon share wood pena hile tu dia New Year hidekta and especially for youths mo for younger ones concert of 2026 have a goal ni bai ka concert uta goal ni na dia apoi mo ju bangai chile 2025 mistake bang kana mi kana hi ka hun ka bang ju ways kha chi kom reflect ni mo hingai sutin by 2025 mistake thing and look back at 2025 and then decide on what you should leave behind, what you should improve on, and move on forward for 2026. More example mi kam tia la kaya mang kangi chi seka ama la kaumi na sometimes neuzo ki sakna takpina to example am pele ke friend te ke PhD ka hina kalom te ka China pan ama ka 21 years old now kamot PhD ka classmate te ka ama ka goal nei ani je PhD ka normally 5 years home ki hebe aman ka 4 years a zo di chi first year apana goal nei jen achile hilele struggle ka first year a struggle challenge sa bubanga chile ama Chinese ai na English siam lo China apane na mo chile khatwe ka first year haksa saloi chen English mangkang pau siam lo jaka on kap kaman kapin chen ibanga gian chile haksa kasa hilele ama khat le ka siam sam 21 years old ya example am peleng Nobel Prize winner te hong na thi khawe Nobel Prize winner chi changa chu Nobel pumpia he banga Nobel society area thil impact to pi tak takite winner te by a professor khat to kha ama research hi ko 21 years old in professor ka to research hi ko muti cha chu a very brilliant ma hilale English power siam lo jaka haksa sa mangkang ten simbo ma aman kha haksa sa le goal nei jin to kha aman 2022 PhD hi 4 years ago di chi a plan a goal pin kha mangka pau siam ki le a goal pin pursue to line jin so to this year pasal ni she get married plus next year 4 years PhD zo totally so kagin no paile goal first year apana ka goal ni san kwan ma in chin struggle tam piong mangkang pau thi lo hi kizil to in chin to ka pasal ni banga she got married and she is still banga 4 years of PhD so ke totally mo kagin no paile aman first year struggle pen thein chin waya struggle pena kholo in jen alam pidi somma in to English den ala nauta to again opa for youth 2025 struggle te challenge dekha and let's reflect back and identify where you have to improve and 2026 aga set a goal just one goal le poilo mo goal khatcho na mistake khat identify di hoi pen I have to improve this in 2026 cha identify di kaya example on peling ka goal kha this year 2025 I traveled a lot hazin lo inga lekha gel manlo ka research to hilele gel manlo mo writing ka it was so slow so 2026 aka especially January to April no travels Michigan aban kaina Michigan aumdi travel lo di aka ka goal ma engine January hapana execute songa so for youth for younger ones since you are still in your schools or colleges na you to na goal pen identify la how do you execute that mo na goal pen na thim sa diwa and then when execute dan kha follow up de chi kha ko ne utahia sia tuang ale dum dam kon ko thaka mo extempore speech kong bang sim on the spot ahi na look nam azo sapam te tung le ki pa thu kon ge na thank you